Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video today will be about how I make my Irish moss and bladderwrack drink in the morning. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If you want more content like this, please like and subscribe and tap that bell for more content. That'll be awesome. Anyway, so this is Irish moss right here. So I usually get my Irish moss at an herb store, and so this is what I do. I just get a scoop, just put it in there, and it don't matter how much you put in there, because Irish moss is you don't have to like measure it. It is natural. You cannot take too much of it. It's a natural herb. So you can do as much as you want or as small as you want. I just put like, a scoop or so in here in a cup. Pour water here. And pour it in there, and I blend it up in my NutriBullet, and pretty much that's what I do. Just hold on one quick second. One quick second. Gotta get my blender cup. Okay, so I'm about to put this on. Hold on, guys. Okay, so yep. So anyway, I'm putting it on. Just like that. And there it is, and it's in there. I just blend it up and drink it. Just drink it like that. So that's the Irish moss bladderwrack. It's really good for you. That's 92 minerals plus the bladderwrack has minerals. It's a good combination, good way to get your minerals in the morning. And just drink it, blend it up and drink it. Just take it down, just like that. So that's it. I just want to make a quick video on anyone who